This house with name of house that rains light, recreates the dappled shade under the trees, unstructured kiddie play areas, gardens with flowers, birds, and butterflies, all lost to increasing urbanization, despite being constrained to a small plot within a standard residential plan. The owners, a young couple with 2 children, want a home that defied expectations, exhibited a feeling of uniqueness and character in the spaces that surrounded them, without impeding their simple way of life. Additionally, they anticipated that the structure would go beyond its modest size and develop into a multi-spatial, multi-sensory environment where their children could grow up. Stereotypes were disregarded in every aspect of the design, beginning with the entrance by eliminating the conventional compound wall and gate in favor of the road. When the kids want to play football or cricket with their neighborhood friends and a larger place is required, the shaded front yard serves as the parking area, a sit-out, and a play area that spills out onto the mostly empty road. On 3 big frames linked to the building, a variety of blooming creepers and climbing vegetables are planted, extending the desperately needed garden on this small plot and giving the house seclusion and shade. The entrance door of this biophilic house opens into a sprawling volume with clearly defined rooms such as the living, dining, and kitchen areas, a bedroom that can be closed when needed, and many landscape nooks in between that are lit by a sequence of skylights from above. This open plan, which adds a sense of spaciousness to the building's otherwise small footprint, serves as yet another playground for the youngsters. The kitchen, however hidden from the doorway, extends into the dining room to offer a multi-purpose counter and a study table for the spouse who works from home on occasion. The sole closed space on the ground level is the bedroom, which is reached from the wash area nestled under the stairs. The first floor features an open family area with 2 bedrooms, a shared toilet, and a balcony that can be accessed directly from it. Vertically and horizontally, the skylit courts connect the volumes. Birds and butterflies flit about the seasonal flowers on the green wall, which abuts the floor's enormous exterior openings, which filter air and harsh sunlight while also providing security and solitude. The people wake up to the simple delights of bird calls and diverse colors, and each day is a wonder. Windows that are placed with consideration for the seasonal fluctuation in wind guarantee cross-ventilation all year long. In the sweltering summers of the tropical south, the 3 skylit vertical volumes, the 2 landscape voids, and the staircase shaft that connects to the clerestory windows at the top, facilitate stack effect and aid in temperature regulation. The interiors are dynamic throughout the year due to seasonal variations in the duration and intensity of the moonlight and sunlight streaks that fall from the skylight. The terrace has shaded areas perfect for a nap or an evening of barbecue and fun with friends and family thanks to the massive green walls that define the facade and extend and cover 1/3 of the roof.